everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Faith's Jenny. If you're new here, please click on that red subscribe button below and subscribe to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. Make sure you watch this video to the end. In this video, I'm going to be briefing you about my trip to Egypt, and I just woke up from bed and I was shocked to discover that the time is still 17 minutes past 5, but it's already clean outside, as in the sun is already up. I mean, 17 past 5 a.m. in the morning, which was kind of strange because back in Cameroon it gets clear from 6 a.m. so it was kind of surprising to see that the sun was already up at this kind of time. And it shows that it got clear maybe at about 5 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the beautiful places I visited in Egypt, and I'm also going to be giving you a room tour. That's my room. So guys, like I said, I traveled with my family and we ordered for family bedrooms. So they actually gave us 2 bedrooms with 2 beds each. Now I'm sharing this room with my little niece. As you can see, she's in bed. So I'm going to be showing you around my room, how it looks like. We are currently lodged at Hotel Le Passage in Cairo, Egypt. That's Egypt's capital. And the hotel is so beautiful. So these are the various things we found in it, like it was ready for us. We had our beds made up. They're really soft and comfortable, and in fact guys, there's so much light everywhere. I mean, there's just so much light and it's so comfy. So right here is the wardrobe, and we have this sewing kit. There are some buttons in it, needles, thread, if maybe your dress gets spoiled or anything gets spoiled. And we actually really needed this because one of our bags, like a small handbag, got bad, so we had to fix it. And here we have the bathroom space. Yeah, it's really nice too. And then there was this really strange magnifying glass mirror. At the first sight of it, I almost ran away. So right here, I'm already used to it. It was so big and scary. I mean, you can see every little pore on your face. Let me show you how the hotel looks like. We are done with my room tour, and right here we have the reception. So I'm going to be taking you guys outside the hotel. That's to the backyard where we have the garden, the playground, the pool, and so many nice views. So guys, let's go. This is our tourist guide. Can you say hi?
Hi.
This is our tourist guide. Just on our way out, we saw this very big shelf with a lot of Egyptian made jewelry and stuff you can take along, maybe for souvenir purposes. You know, there are key holders, bangles, and some ancient Egyptian stuff. I think this is actually kind of like a museum. A museum. So we're going right to the back of this hotel, and the first thing we will see there is the gym. The gym is located just when you go out. The first thing you see is the gym and then the restaurant. So here's the gym and here's the restaurant. Sorry I didn't have time to really show you what it looks like, the restaurant, but in my next video I'm going to actually bring it to the restaurant, so you're going to be able to view and see the restaurant, because I'm actually going to be trying some Egyptian food in the restaurant. So we arrived at this very big pool, the water is so inviting. Just we weren't actually ready to swim at the moment, so we just had to pass by, and not to that the pool was being cleaned, so we just had to enjoy the beauty of the place and take pictures and take videos for you guys. Yeah. Such a beautiful view. Pelly, do you know how to take photos? Are you going to take me for music? We have maybe if you have a pool party, you know, so see the microphone. This place is actually like a stage where if you have a pool party, you can have your performances on the stage. And here is like a relaxation spot. You can grab a drink, you can chat with your friends right there. Can you show us around? Yeah, show us around. So, where are we now? Yeah, yes. Where are we? Okay, Belina. I think this one right here is for kids. This pool right here is for kids. Yeah, this is for kids, guys. Let me turn the camera. See, it's so shallow. And wow, see, a big stone cave. Oh my. I don't think I've ever been to such a beautiful place. Okay, I think this is a good thing. So we are heading right now to the garden, and we couldn't really get inside to get a complete view because the grass was being watered. So we had these spray pumps all over spraying water, and I didn't want to get wet. So I just had to take the garden from afar and probably zoom in so it can have a little view, but we couldn't really go into the garden. So we just had to go back out and head to the playground. We're going up to what seems like kids garden. Wow. And guys, please, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Please watch to the end. And this video actually has a part 1. You can go to my previous video and watch from when I left Cameroon to this very point, because right now I'm already in Egypt. I'm going to give you a few more videos about Egypt before I proceed. Hi buddies. So many nice birds. We have rabbits, bunnies. Come on, please. You can actually film it. Hi guys. I'm really tempted to go this way. I don't really know. I think this is a factory. I don't know if it's out of bounds, but that's the field, and something is going on. And then this is a football field right there. It's handball field, or it's handball, not football, something like that. So come on, man, let's go this way and see. Come on. Tick tick tick. Are you happy? Our tourist guide says hi. Stop. This is how the tower looks like from the front. So we want to, I don't even know where we are going to, but that's the parking lot over there. And we have flags of countries. So guys, my journey wasn't that smooth as it seems. So I was actually almost sent home from the airport in Cameroon, and that's another story for another day. So I'm going to be making a vlog about that, and then I'm also going to be making a vlog about travel requirements for those who want to come to Bahrain. I'm going to be briefing you on what you need and approximately how much you need. And I'm also going to be telling you some secrets or some amazing things I discovered about Egyptians. I don't want to mention them in this video so that the video is not going to be too long, but I'm going to be telling you, I mean, Egyptians are very nice people. They are so welcoming. I didn't expect them to be that welcoming, but they are so welcoming and they make you feel so comfortable around them. And that's one thing I love about Egypt. If you're an Egyptian and you're watching this video, shout out to you. And you guys are amazing. You guys are lovable people, and I loved Egypt so much. So here we have an Egyptian clothing shop. Here they also sell jewelry, but they sell clothes too. And I didn't really have their currency to get some souvenirs for my trip, but I wish or I hope on my way going back I'll have maybe gotten their currency to get something as a souvenir. So that's going to be all about our tour for today. And guys, watch out for the next video. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to be showing you Egyptian food and in the Egyptian restaurant. And yeah, I'm going back to my room, so it's quite difficult locating my room because it's a really big hotel and all doors seem similar. So please subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye bye.